to Tester Scale Workshop. I'm Brett Green, and today we're at the opening of the 49th Shizuoka Hobby Show in Japan. We'll be taking a walk around the aisles, having a look at some of the new and forthcoming releases, and let me tell you, there's some stuff that we really weren't expecting. So let's take a look now.
Tamiya had the biggest stand on the day, packed full of aircraft, military, automotive and radio control. Tamiya had some unexpected merchandise available too. You feel like toting a Tamiya backpack or wearing a Tamiya necktie? What about a snack of Tamiya space bread? Well, this is the place to get it. Kinetic's forthcoming releases were on display at the Beaver Corporation stand. The 8-bladed, late version E2C Hawkeye will be available soon. The 1/72nd scale F-16I features very petite, crisp recessed panel lines and plenty of weapons. A partially built test shot of the 1/48 scale EA-6B Prowler was there too, which looks very impressive with great cockpit detail and optional position folded wings. A Czech model 32nd scale T-33 was there too. No filler visible. Hasegawa's large stand included new releases in their 1/48 scale Macross range. There was plenty of interest in the 1/32nd scale Messerschmitt Bf 109 F4 Trop. This kit features plenty of new parts including brand new fuselage, gun troughs, propeller blades and more. A nice figure of Hans Joachim Marseille is included with the kit. An interesting selection of German pilots' desert flying gear was present too, including tunic, dress cap, flying helmet, iron cross, and even a gun sight. Other forthcoming releases included the Heinkel 111Z in 72nd scale. Hasegawa's 1/72nd scale forthcoming F-16I was built up and painted. The 1/72nd scale Junkers Ju-88 will be able to be built as either the A or the E variant. The next Key 44 Tojo release in 32nd scale will be the prototype. Cyber Hobby's 1/72nd scale Meteor Mark 8 was a complete surprise. The wing parts there looked very impressive.